everybody, today I'm going to be sharing with you how I made these advent calendar bags, and this idea is based off another YouTuber called Crafty Girl, which I'll link below to her video. So first I'm going to talk you through all the different designs that I've done and how I made them, and then I will talk about all the different treats and candy and things that I'm going to put inside. And I've actually done 3 full sets of these Christmas advent calendar bags. I did a full set for my husband, and then I did another set for my families. That's my parents and my 2 younger siblings. And then I did another set for my brother-in-law and his wife and their 2 younger kids. And you'll see that these 2 sets here are pretty much identical, but the set over here I've done some different images that I thought they might like a little bit more because they do have younger kids. So the way I made these bags was I started off by finding a whole lot of Christmas images that I really liked, and I also picked up a couple of small Christmas ornaments that I liked, and I built themes around those. So I've used Christmas paper for the background, and then lots of little decals and stickers, and sometimes I used washi tape to go around the border. And here's some more examples of images that I've used. I really love using these sort of vintage Christmas card looking images. I also like using images from my favorite Christmas movies, and because I do live in New Zealand and it is summer here at Christmas time, I like using some summer Christmas images as well. And I used a variety of different kinds of bags and different colors and different sizes to make these. And just to close them off at the top, I've got these little pegs which I've painted silver and red. I've got these tiny little black ones, and then I've also got a few of these little heart ones. Talk through all of the different products that I got that are going in the bags for my husband and for my family. So the bags that I'm doing for my husband, I have a little bit more flexibility with those because I don't have to decide what's going in them right away, and I can also put in more activities that we can do together. Whereas the bags that I'm doing for my family to give away, I have to be careful not to put anything that's going to go bad, like fresh cookies for example, and I also don't want to put in too many activities because I don't know what they're going to be doing that day, so I tried to make sure that I was putting in things that they could do any day or things that were edible. So some of the things that are going to go in everybody's bags are some of these Dairy Milk Caramello Chocolate Santas and some of these little Kinder Mini chocolates. I got some of these new Whittaker's chocolate squares in assorted flavors. I also got these bags of gold chocolate coins, some sour peach hearts, and Ferrero Rochers. I got a few different flavors of candy canes. I also got some of these Cadbury chocolate elves with popping candy. I got this little box of milk chocolate Christmas figures. I also got a bag of Snickers and a bag of these chocolate marshmallow Santas. I got each family a tin of like hot chocolate mix. I also got a bag of miniature marshmallows, which I will divide up using a cellophane bag. I also thought I'd get each family a Christmas themed hand wash. This one's in vanilla peppermint. Each family is also going to get a Christmas ornament. The one I'm going to get for my husband is going to be similar to this, but it'll be like a 2018 one. The Christmas ornament I'm going to give to my family is this more sort of vintage feel Christmas ornament. And the Christmas ornament I'm going to give to my brother-in-law's family is this plastic one because they have young kids. I'm also going to put a candle into each one of their bags. For my husband, I've got some of these fig and papaya little candles. They smell really good. For my family, I got this mason jar candle and this mango scent. And for my brother-in-law's family, I got this beautiful Christmas glass vase and just a little like battery operated candle. I also got a few just random Christmas CDs, one for each family. Now the next thing I got were these fruit mince pies, but I'm only going to give these to my family because I'm not sure anybody else really likes them. Now the next few things are only going to my brother-in-law's family because they have younger kids. So I've got them a couple of these Slinkies. I've got a couple of these Christmas themed spinning tops. I got them some Despicable Me plasters. And I will get them some Christmas themed balloons. I just haven't been able to find them yet. Another thing I'm going to add in are these little booklets I'm going to make with these colouring in pages. I also got them a little thing of crayons to go with it. I also got them a few different kinds of stickers. I also got them a pack of these glow sticks with these different fun prints. Now the next few things are just for my husband's bags. One thing I got him was this bigger box of these Ferrero Rochers. I also got him a bag of mixed nuts because he really likes those. I also got this Kinder Surprise Santa, and I also got him a new razor. I'm also going to put in a few activity cards like, you know, let's watch a Christmas movie or let's go and see the Christmas lights. And the very last two things that I got was this Nando's Peri Peri hot sauce because he really likes that. And I also got him a different sort of beer for him to try, this Arabica Stout. And that is everything I got for my Christmas Advent Calendar bags. Thank you for watching.